Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today I'll walk you through how to get a Wise EU IBAN number, step by step, so you can receive and send money easily across Europe. Let's dive right in. Step 1, log into your Wise account, open the Wise app or website and sign in with your credentials. Step 2, go to Balances. In your dashboard, select the Balances tab. This is where you can hold and manage money in different currencies. Step 3, add a new balance. Click on Add a Balance, then select Euro from the list of currencies. Step 4, get your EU IBAN details. After adding the Euro balance, Wise will provide you with your unique IBAN number and associated bank details like BEXX SWIFT code. This IBAN works just like a regular European bank account number. Step 5, use your IBAN for payments. You can now share your Wise IBAN with anyone to receive EUR transfers directly. You can also use it to make payments or transfers within the SEPA zone. Tip: make sure to verify your identity if you haven't already, as Wise may require this to unlock full IBAN access. And that's it. You now have a fully functional Wise EU IBAN to manage your Euro transactions smoothly. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.